Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Akingbola Ezekiel. Today I'll be introducing you to everything you need to know about Facebook advertisement. Facebook ad has been proven to be one of the best ways to scale your business. If you are looking for a way to reach out to more customers or more potential clients, Facebook has been proven to be one of the most successful means to do that. So today I'm going to be breaking it down step by step how to run a successful Facebook ad that converts. It's not about really running an ad. You can run an ad once you see you make a post on Facebook, Instagram. You can see a way of promoting ads, but the point in our conversation or the point in our video today is to teach you how to run an ad that will convert, how to target specific and interested audience group in the ads. Thank you. I hope you will love the video. Please, if you do, make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you like our video, and please make sure you comment. Thank you. Alright guys, welcome to this training. Today I want to use this time to welcome you to, I want to say happy new month. I'm recording this video in the new month of August 2020. So I want you to all enjoy the video. Please make sure you do subscribe and make sure you do click on the notification bell to get notification when we release interesting content. Today I want to be looking at how to set up your Facebook ads account, and the first thing you have to do that is to get a Facebook page. So the question is, how do you create a Facebook page for yourself? It's very simple. You come to this portion. First thing you do, you create your Facebook page. Okay, so you click on create. Once you click on create, it brings out three options or four. First one is page. You can connect and share with customer or fans. Next one there is advertise your business, brand or organization. Okay, next one is group. Find people with shared interest. And last one is bring people together with public or private events. So event here is another thing you can do. So but what we're interested in is page. Now when it comes to advertisement, you can promote a particular post using this option. You can join a group or create a group, just like you have a WhatsApp group and the rest. So you can have a very closed group of people whereby you can be the one to add them, or you share a link with them for them to have access to it. Or you can create an event where people can have access to it. It can be a private event. You can share videos and all using this event, but we're interested in the page, so we want to create a new page. So I'll be creating a new page for the sake of this particular training. I'll be creating a new page for the sake of this particular training. Okay, so there are two options here you can see. First one is you either create a page as a business brand, or you create a page as a community or a public figure. So now I want to believe the one you'll be creating is that with business or brand, or a brand. If you're a business or a brand, here you can showcase your product and services, spotlight your brand, and reach more customers on Facebook. So you can create a business page or a brand page here. Now for this community or public figure, what you have to do here, you have to connect. You can connect and share with people in your community, organization, team or group or club. Maybe you have and people that you're a public figure and you need people to follow you. You can do that here. But since you are looking at our business, want to look at how to promote our business using Facebook, so I'll advise us to go for this option where we have business or brand. So click on get started. So when you click on get started, what's the name you want to give to the page? What's the name that the page will be bearing? For instance, I'll name it trial, or should I name trial page? Okay, let me just create a new page then. Let's name it Facebook ad page. Okay, Facebook ad page. Now with that, what is this page going to be about? So you can the name Facebook. Okay, let's see. Name Facebook ads page is invalid. Please choose a different name type. Okay, so they say we should choose a different name type. So let me give it 360-second media. Okay, let's go with that. Let's see. I think that's more acceptable. You see that? So now we can move forward with description, or add a category to describe your page. So what's my page doing? You type a word or two to best describe your page, then choose suggested title. So let's say advertisement. Let's advertisement. Yes, advertisement and marketing. So you can choose from other options so that best describe what you do. Do you understand? Depending on what you type, you can now choose. Facebook has already made templates for the kind of businesses they sort of allow in their on their platform. So we choose advertisement and marketing because that's what this page I'm creating will be all about. Okay, so I'll be the address. You type in your address. My address is this. Let me quickly type that out. Okay, that's that. Then my state is this currently. Okay, let's be specific. Let's choose okay, zip code. You can now, most people, I don't know, let me just use this to give you an information. Most people have issue with zip code or postal code. When you are doing a registration or something and you see a zip code, you just stop. Then back then, a few years ago, I used to have that issue too. Whenever I see a zip code or postal code, I get freezed up and I might not have a way out. So what I do is now is you come here, your location, type in your location. For instance, my location is this. Then put in front the zip code, or if it's postal code you need, you type it there. So you see that it brings up the details, the zip code. This is the zip code I'm looking for, 910101. So copy that. I think copy that, come here, then paste it in for the zip code option. I believe that's an added knowledge. Alright, thank you. So let's move on. Your phone number. Okay, don't show my address, only show the business in the city. Okay, yes, I want that. Then let's continue. Okay, saying something that oh sorry, I already have a business in this name. Let's see. Let's see. I want to do okay. I'm trying to craft out a name I think would work. Let's see if this will go through. Alright, thank you. Went through. So alright, add a profile picture, whatever. You got a profile picture if you have any. So let's see if I have any profile picture. Let me go to my desktop. I think I have all my logos. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, I think with it, let's just keep it, and you can upload a picture or a logo of your choice to do that. All these ones I don't want to do them now. I don't want to add online booking yet. You can set that up later on. I think I might be taking that in the advanced class and the rest. Okay, so this is the new page I just created. Okay, our logo came up. Okay, so now your page is as empty as anything. So with this page, I'll be able to run a Facebook ads. I believe you get that. With this particular page, I can run a Facebook ad. So there are many things you need to add to this particular page to make it standard, but that's not really the priority now. The main thing is to get your page set up. So these are some of my pages: Learn with Ezekiel, Giant, 360 Easy Media, the one that showed up the other time. So these are a few pages I have currently now. So you can invite set of people. You can see people popping out. These are some of my close friends and relations, so you can invite them. So once you start inviting them, once they see, they'll click and join. But that's not your major target. Basically, the major target is to be able to use this page to run an ad. So in the next video, I'll be putting it through how to connect your ad with your ads, Facebook Ads Manager. Thank you very much.